Gabby, you like that?
Oh, you're doing it all in my car.
My name is Ethan Golden, and today I'll tell you about the safari trip. So the safari trip was quite fun, but I was scared, so I wanted to rent a van, but my parents said it would take their own car to get to the other side of the safari. Get it?
Let's
Gavin laughed at Ethan's
dangerous.
joke.
I'm gonna quiz you. Do you feed the zebras by hand?
No.
No, you toss it
You
to
throw the food to the zebras. Look, so there's zebras right here. We can throw them some food.
So we went, and they said the creatures that they bite is zebras, donkeys, and I forgot one, but it was the emu and it was the ostrich. So anywho,
About to get interesting.
don't let Gavin get
I'm a little
bitten.
scared.
Dad, don't let Gavin get bitten.
All right. Well, look at that deer over there. Hey, now, not my finger now.
Oh dang, like the zebras.
It's trying to- Look at that deer. That's a nice looking deer.
I don't want my window up.
Hey, it's okay, Ethan. Just listen to us, all right? You're a big boy.
Oh my god, I'm a little nervous.
I don't want my window up.
Babe, you smell your food, babe. Babe.
What the?
I'm scared.
Mom. One for you.
Here, let that one take it out your hands.
Oh no. It's not funny.
I'm sorry, Ethan.
Ethan, the deer are easy to feed because they'll use their lips. All right, how can I get this giraffe? One.
Look at this giraffe. Put your hand out there. Maybe it'll come back.
No,
The giraffe's looking at that van.
No.
Hey, giraffe.
Don't let it come back. No, Dad.
Ethan,
stop.
it's Father's Day and Daddy wants to feed the giraffe. We're going to try to get the giraffe attention. Hold your hand out, Eric. Look at that giraffe. Look at that.
There you go, giraffe.
Look at how cool. Look at how close this
Whoa.
giraffe is. Put your hand down, Eric, so we can see.
All right, I'm going to tell you,
Oh no.
Gabby, you like that?
Oh, you're doing it all in my car. All right. There you go, bro. Oh, man. Now the zebra's in the way. Zebra.
Eric, hold on, because the giraffe is
Oh, man.
Gavin is loving this.
Get him
Eric,
out the
don't. Just feed,
All right, I
feed
got
the
you,
giraffe.
homie. Look at this tongue. Oh, my goodness. This is slimy as F. All right, giraffe. We're going to holler at you later, buddy. All right.
Gavin, you like that?
Oh, my God. This tongue.
Eric, you stop driving. You're gonna hit the zebras.
Hold on, give me
Look,
another
the
wipe.
zebras are in front of the car.
All right, dude. I'm putting on the window.
Don't honk, Ethan. We can't honk. It might startle.
Jeez, got me slimy. Oh my God.
Oh my God. That
Got
is
my-
so funny.
Oh my God. Boy, I got my hand greasy.
Here, Gav. Here, throw it out to the deer.
Do it.
Here, try again. Good job, Gav.
And I was still scared, but they had some warthogs that were too short to reach in the car, and some of the animals reached in the car. It was very terrifying, and it was so funny.
Feed them.
She's sweet.
Ah!
Just throw it out on the ground.
Run! Wait, was that baby just born? Ah!
Come on, feed the mama. Go ahead.
I don't want to feed the
Where's
baby.
the baby? Oh, there's
The
the
baby's
baby.
chilling. The baby probably drinks milk.
There's the baby.
Oh, come on. Like and subscribe.
There's the camel.
Bite. You know what today is?
You gonna feed the camel?
Sure.
Hump day.
Hump day. Look at those feet, boy.
Dirty.
Look, you got long lips.
Look at those lips. They're like this.
Look at those
They're like
knees.
what?
Need some lotion, boy.
Okay,
All
I'm
right.
terrified, so I'm just throwing it to the floor. That was so funny that. Oh my god. Look at how pretty. Look, it's Bambi when Bambi got his antlers.
Where?
Look right here. Look, doesn't he look like...
See the felt on the antlers?
Ethan, go ahead, feed. Ethan, roll it down and throw some food to them.
That's okay,
No, roll
babe.
it
He'll-
down, Dad.
Okay, look
Yeah,
at all
do it when
those
he's ready.
deer. They're so pretty.
But on the van, they put little bars on the windows.
Hey, big mule deer. Mule deer.
Mule deer, what do you see?
I see a bison coming to hurt me.
Oh yeah, that bison was looking
Gavin, do you like these animals,
real
Gavin?
menacing.
Ethan, you got to get rid of some of your food.
I'm scared.
Go under the wheel.
You haven't.
No, Ethan, it's yours. You can just toss some out the window.
Yeah, why don't you do that, Ethan? They'll stay away if you toss it.
No.
All right, I ain't letting that happen to me again. Fool me once.
Well, this is a 3-mile.
Zebra alert. Zebra alert.
Hello. Hello, Bambi.
Dad, don't roll up.
Aw,
You
how
want one?
cute.
There you go.
That's. Dad, you almost get
All right, bye.
No, Giraffe, don't go. Giraffe is leaving.
Yay! New. It's actually new. Yay! Waste all your money.
You want to throw one more, Gav? Here you go.
Yeah.
Good job, Gav.
Yay! Waste all your money.
Don't hit my car. Don't hit my car. Trying to put more over there. Here, move.
Bison!
Well, you were greedy. All right, dude.
Gavin, you like that?
All right, we gotta go.
He has a beard. I just saw his beard. Well, it looks like he has a mustache.
Don't hit my rear view mirror now.
You see someone's rearview mirror fell off.
All right, here I'm gonna throw a few on the ground over here.
Hey,
All right.
would you like a music?
All right, my lady, I need you to here, get that way. All right.
There's not leaving like this. We're surrounded by water buffalo.
There you go. What was that?
Yeah.
We're out of here. Like and subscribe. After that, we did a walkthrough. They had all types of animals like boa constrictors and lots of that.
You like those?
They're wasting their food by dropping it. So you had to wear a mask, but I didn't want to because I couldn't breathe. You know, if you wear a mask, it covers your nose and you couldn't breathe at all. But it's for your own good. Coronavirus will go to your mouth or your nose. It wants to escape.
It's like, what's going on?
It might escape through there.
What we got over here?
Oh, those chicken.
Oh, those aren't chickens.
What are they? They were like the
Look at these little monkeys, these little tiny monkeys.
Yeah, they were like the monkeys in Rio. Aww.
Hey, you better feed it by hand, Ethan. Look at this.
Aww. What type of animal is that?
It's a cavy.
That's what was in that. You asked what it was. That goes in that enclosure over there.
Little.
Aww, so cute.